this video is important to watch before you go to the United States, because today we are talking about food. And when you go to a restaurant to eat, how do you order your food? Because in the United States, there is a way we order food, and it is important to know. Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today I am going to show you the way we order food in the United States. When you go to a restaurant, when you go through the door, there is someone waiting. There's someone waiting for you at a little stand, a little podium, where they greet you. They say, hello, hello. How many people are in your party? Not party, woo, with drinks and music. No. How many people are with you? And maybe you are on a date with an American. And you say, 2 people. There are 2 people in our party. Or you can ask for a table for 2. A table for 2 people. And the host, this person is the host, or the hostess, if they're a woman, if they're a female, they will take you to your table. They will take you to your table. And then they might give you the menu. They might give you the menu where you can look at all of the options, all of the items you can order to eat and to drink. Once you are sitting at the table, with your date, you can look at the menu. And after that, another person will come to your table. They will ask, what would you like to drink? In the US, we order drinks first, and only the drink. And you say, I would like a Coke, a Coca-Cola. I would like a beer. Or, can I have a beer? Can I have a glass of water? In the United States, we try to be polite when we order. You can say, I would like can I have, or even a glass of water, please. When the waiter says, what would you like to drink? You can say, a water, please. Or can I? Or I would like. It is important to remember to be polite to the waiters, because in the United States, it's how we order. Then the waiter will get your drinks and bring your drinks to the table. Then he will ask, and what would you like to eat? And it's the same. I would like a burger. I would like a hamburger. And in the United States, you can change what you order. If a hamburger comes with lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles, but you do not like tomato, you can say, but no tomato. And if you love pickles, you can ask for extra pickles. You can say, and may I have extra pickles on the hamburger? In the United States, it is okay to change what you order, to change what's on the menu. You can customize, make it the way you like it at a restaurant. But don't ask for too much. A couple of things. It's not rude to ask for a few changes. If you ask for a lot, the server and the cook, the person making the food, might be mad. But normally, it's okay. After you eat, the waiter comes back again and will ask if you want dessert, like cake or a brownie. Or you can say, no thank you. Also, while you are eating your hamburger, the waiter will ask, how is everything? How is it? How is the food? And you can say, it's very good, or it's good, thank you, or it's horrible. No, don't say that. The waiter wants to ask, how is it? Because he wants you to give him a good tip. In the United States, the waiters are normally very nice, because they want you to add a tip so they can also eat. After dessert, or after your meal, the waiter will bring your check, where it says how much money you owe the restaurant, how much you need to pay. If he doesn't, you can say, may we, or may I have the check? Or can you please bring me the check or the bill? The check or the bill. Both are the same. Then, of course, you need to pay. And before you leave, normally the waiter will say, thank you for eating. Thank you for coming to the restaurant. Thank you. And you say, thank you. In America, people try to be very polite. When you go to the United States, don't forget how to order. It's important to be very polite. Can I please have? May I have? I would like. Okay? Don't forget. Is it the same in your country? Is it the same how you order food? Put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of Comprehensible Input right here with English on Autopilot. We will see each other in the next video. Bye.